Hi there, my name is Shahzad. Welcome to my channel of English. Today we are going to learn the phrasal verb starting with letter A. So first of all, what is a phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or an adverb. Let's see the first phrasal verb of letter A. Account for. If you account for something, you explain how it came to be the way it is. Examples are, we accounted for last year's high production costs by showing how the price of labor and raw materials had increased. How can we account for the remarkable success of our latest product? Act as, to perform the same function as a particular person or thing. Examples are, I can't make it to the meeting, Bob, so would you mind acting as chairman today? The kidneys act as filters to keep the blood clean. Act for. If you act for someone, you represent them. Examples are, if you don't have a lawyer, the state will appoint one to act for you. In democracy, the people elect representatives to act for them in parliament. Act on. If you act on somebody's advice, you do as they suggest. Examples are, I really should act on my doctor's advice and try to eat less and exercise more. He acted on the instructions of his lawyer and refused to answer any questions. Act out. If you act out, you express your feelings through acts or words. Jim often gets into trouble because he acts out his emotions without thinking about the consequences. We can all have violent thoughts and aggressive feelings sometimes, but society doesn't usually allow us to act them out. Act up. If a part of your body or piece of equipment acts up, it doesn't work properly. Examples are, my printer is acting up, so I'll have to get it fixed. I'll have to give the tennis a miss this week. My knee is acting up again. Add to. If something adds to something, it makes it better, greater, stronger, or more extreme in some way. Excuse me. During the ride, the sound of wailing sirens only added to the sense of chaos and confusion. The light show added a lot of atmosphere to the concert. Add up. If you add two or more numbers in order to find the total amount. Fran has a good head for figures. She can add up really quickly and she always gets the right answer. Could you add up these amounts and let me know the total? After he jotted down the cost of each dish, he added them up and found the total cost of the meal. Add up to. If two or more numbers add up to another number, this is the total you get if you add them together. What examples are, what do 19 and 17 add up to? Do they add up to 36 or is it 46? Here are the bills we have to pay this week. They add up to over $500. Adhere to. If you adhere to a law, a rule, or a contract, you obey it or follow it. Examples are, doctors are expected to adhere to the Hippocratic Oath. You can't trust that company. They don't adhere to the terms of the contracts they sign. Advise against. To suggest to someone that they should not do something they are thinking of doing. Examples are, due to the current unrest, the government is advising against unnecessary travel to the region. The Medical Council has advised people against taking this drug until further safety tests have been carried out. Advise of. If you advise someone of something, you tell them about it. Examples are, a policeman advised me to my rights and then he arrested me. Please advise us of any change of address or contact details. Agree with. If a certain place or lifestyle agrees with you, it suits you and is good for you. Examples are, ever since she has moved to the country, Aunt Beth has looked much better. Country life obviously agrees with her. Working the night shift seems to agree with Larry. He says he sleeps better if he goes to bed at dawn and gets up in the afternoon. Aim at. If you aim a product or creative work at a particular group of people, you see those people as your market or your audience. Examples are, our new course is aimed at people who want to learn English for business. Disney Corporation aims most of its movies at families and children. Allow for. To consider something or take it into account when making plan or making a decision. Examples are, don't forget to allow for inflation when estimating your future expenses. You should allow time for traffic jams when deciding what time to leave for airport. Allude to mention or refer to something or someone in an indirect way. Examples are, in his speech, the president alluded to the fact that the economy was not in good condition when he took over. When the judge was summing up the case, he alluded to the sort of punishment he would have to hand down if the jury found the defendant guilty. Amount to be similar to or to have the same effect as. Examples are, does having 2 CDs released in 10 years amount to a successful career as a musician? The government calls the killing of innocent people by military collateral damage, but Mike says in many cases it amounts to nothing less than murder. Answer back. To reply rudely to someone who is in position of authority, such as a teacher, a parent, or a coach. Examples are, Harry's students don't respect him. Some of them even answer back rudely when he asks them to do something. My son answers his mother back when she tells him to do something, like clean his room. He says things like, clean it yourself. Answer for. To be held responsible for something. Examples are, the Prime Minister said he'll answer for any future problems that arise from his government's policies. Do you really think the company will be made to answer for the problems that their pollution causes among the local people? Appeal for. To ask for something, usually in order to help deal with a crisis or an emergency. Examples are, the government is appealing for food and clothes for the flood victims, so please help out if you can. Why don't you appeal to rich businessmen for money to buy medicine and equipment? Appeal to. If something appeals to you, you like it. The examples are, the small apartments will appeal to single people more than families. In 1960s, Asian philosophies and religions appealed to young people seeking alternatives to Western consumerism and materialism. Apply to. If something applies to you, it is relevant to you or you are affected by it. Examples are, some young people from rich families seem to think that law doesn't apply to them. The company's new regulations on sexual harassment apply to everybody from the CEO to the cleaners. Arrive at. To reach a result, a conclusion, or a decision after considering relevant factors or details. Examples are, they arrived at the cost of production by calculating raw material, transport and manufacturing costs. After doing research into the history of heart disease, we arrived at the same conclusion as many others. We found that diet has a huge influence on health. Ask after. If you ask after someone, you ask about them when you talk to someone who's seen them recently. Example, when I meet Rajiv, he asks after you and Sonia, and I tell him you are both doing well. Sandra got an email from her mother. She asked after you. I didn't realize you knew her mother. Ask for. To let someone know that you'd like them to give you something. Examples are, if you don't know where to go, ask for directions. Joanne didn't have the nerve to ask for her boss for a wage rise. Ask out. If you ask somebody out, you ask someone like you to go on a date with you. Examples are, it took John a long time to build up the courage to ask Mary out. But at last he did, and she said yes. John was so happy he couldn't help smiling. If you like her, why don't you ask her out for dinner? The worst that can happen is that she says no or makes an excuse. Ask over. If you ask some people over, you invite them to your house. Examples are, we are asking some friends over for dinner on Saturday night. Would you like to come? Bob has asked us over for drinks. Associate with. If you associate with someone, you regularly spend time with them. Examples are, while my brother was in New York in the late 70s, he associated with lots of punk musicians and underground artists. If Terry associates with other criminals, he'll be sent back to jail again. Attached to. To believe that something has importance or significance in relation to something else. Examples are, you shouldn't attach too much importance to what other people think. Just do whatever is right for you. When choosing a career, most people attach too much weight to how much money they'll earn. Attend to deal with something or someone. Examples are you sure we have enough sales staff to attend to all our customers at busy times? I attend to day-to-day issues in the morning, and then I work on longer-term issues like planning and strategy. Attribute to believe that something results directly from a certain event or fact. Examples are, scientists now attribute the melting of the polar ice caps to global warming. The rise in heart disease and certain cancers can be attributed to the high amount of red meat that many people can afford to eat these days. Auction off. To sell something to the highest bidder at an auction. Examples are, in order to pay his debts, Uncle George had to auction off his collection of paintings. Do you think we should auction the contents of the house off piece by piece or sell the whole lot to our dealer? Average out at. To come to a certain amount on average. Examples are, my wife's income depends on how many paintings she sells, but it averages out at about $10,000 a month. The time I spend working on my novel varies quite a bit, but it averages out at about 2 hours a day. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will teach you phrasal verbs of letter B. Thank you very much. Bye bye.